Number 1, 28.4 times 3.82 times 15.6 times 9.47. Solution number log. So we're going to have 28.4. So our characteristic here is 1. Characteristic is 1. So 28 under 4. 28 under 4. 28 under 4 is 4533. 4533. Okay, that difference 4533. 3.82. Our characteristic is 0. 38 under 2 will give us 38 under 2, 582. 15.6. That's 1 point. 15 under 6. 1931. 1931. 9.47. Characteristic 0. So 94 under 7. 94 under 7 will give us 9763. 9763. So next thing is to add. Let's add up. We're adding because we have multiplication. So let's add up everything here. Now give us 1.4533 plus 0.5821 plus 1.1931 plus 0.9763, 4.2084. So in this part 28.4 times 0.82 times 15.6 times 9.47. 9.47. So this implies that I'm going to divide it by 2. So when you do that, we're going to have 2.1024. So we're going to go for the anti-log of this number. So 10 under 2. 0.10 under 2. That gives us 1265. 1265. Difference 4. 10 difference 4 is 1. That's 6621. 1266. So our decimal point will be here, 0.6. So our final answer is 126.6. Number 2, 17.3 squared times 4.93 third root 67500. That's the number log 7.3. So like I explained, first thing we do, we look for the value of this, the log value of this. Then once we get it, we bring this value down, we raise the power 2. And when we raise the power 2 on the log column, we're going to multiply it by 2. So first thing is to look for the value of 17.0. We look at value of 7.0. The 17 is, the characteristic is 1.17 under 3. 17 under 3 will give us 2380 172380. Now and square it. So when you raise it power 2 here, we are going to multiply it by 2. So 2 times 0 equals 0. 2 times 8, 16. Carry 1. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. 2 times 2, 4. Plus 2 times 1, 2. Then 4.93. 0.49 on that theory. 39 on that theory will give us 6928. 6928. So since this is the numerator, and in the numerator we have two numbers that multiply each other. This one is multiplying this, or this one is multiplied by this, or so we're going to add. Whenever there is multiplication, we're going to add. So 0 plus 8 will give us 8, 6 plus 2, 8, 7 plus 9, 16, 4 plus 6, 10, 11, 3. We call this numerator. So I'm going to draw another line here and write this in 3.1688. And let me roll this out again. Okay. So I'm doing this because we have a denominator part. So we still need to evaluate the denominator. Then from our laws of indices, whenever we have division, we subtract the denominator from the numerator. So now that I've evaluated the numerator, I need to evaluate the denominator part. So first thing, I'll evaluate 67500 without the third root. So 67500. So our characteristic would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be 4.67 under 5. 67 under 5 will give me 7 under 5, 8293. 8293. So since we have difference 0, the zeros are not significant in this case. So now, okay, let's look at the third root. Third root of 67500. So third root implies that we're going to divide it by 3. That's 4.8293 divided by 3. 4.8293 divided by 3. That is 1.60. 1.6098. So I'm going to bring it here. 1.6098. And I call this what my denominator. Denominator. So I'm going to rule. So I will be able to evaluate the numerator and also the denominator. Now this is division. So from our laws of indices, from the laws of indices, which also applies to the laws of logarithm, whenever there's division, we subtract. So I'm going to put my subtraction sign here. So which implies that I'm going to subtract 1.6098 from 3.1688. That will give me 1.559. 1.559. And put 0 here because 8 minus 8 is 0. So you can leave it or just put it. So we're going to do for the anti-log of 1.5590. 0.55 under 9. 0.55 under 9 is 3622. 3622. 3622. So 1 here means move our decimal points 2 times forward. Now give us 36.22. Let's show you. Third root 38.2 times 2.964 over 8.2. 637 times 6.285 minus square. And log 38, 38.2 and 0.38. 38 under 2 will give us 38 under 2, 58.21, 58.21, 2.964, 0 points. Oh, this is not 0, this is one characteristic, this one. 29 under 6, 29 under 6, 4713, 4713, difference 4, 29 under 6, difference 4, that's 6, that's 4719, 4719, and then we're going to add up 1 plus 9, 0, 2 plus 1, 2, plus 1, 4, 8 plus 7, 15, 5 plus 4, 9, plus 1, 10, and that will give us 2. So we'll call this a numerator. Alright. These are numerator 2.0540. So let's evaluate our denominator 8.637, 0.86 on that theory. 86 on that theory will give us 9060. 9060. Difference 7. 86 on that theory. 86, 9060, difference 7. Difference 7 is 4. 4. The 9064. 9064. 9064. The next number 6.285. 0.62 under 8. 62 under 8 will give us 7980. 7980. Difference 5. 62. Difference 5. That's 3. 7983. 7983. So since we have multiplication between two numbers, we add also. Add up. 4 plus 2 is 7, 6 plus 8, 14, 3 plus 9, 12, plus 1, 13, 9 plus 7, 16, 1. So this becomes our denominator. We call this the denominator. So this becomes 1.637. So to subtract the denominator from the numerator, this will give us 10. Come here, 10 minus 7 is 3. And here is now 3. So come here, that's 13. 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 will give us 9. Minus 4 will give us 9. Here's now 4. 4 minus 3. 1 is 0. So you come here, you borrow as 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Points. 1 minus 1, 0. That is 0.4193. Let's spot. I just spotted a mistake here. 4 plus 3 is 7. 6 plus 8, 14. 3 plus 9, 12. Plus 1, 13. 9 plus 7, 15. 9 plus 7, 16. Plus 1, 7. So here's 1.72. So let me start it over. 0, that's 10 minus 7, 3. 13 minus 4, 9. and get 4 minus 3, 1. 10 minus 7 will give us 3. That was 0.31 ratio. So we're going to multiply. So this part here, we're going to do this part now. And we write 8.2 times 2.964 over 8.637 times 6.285 all raised to power 2. So this implies that this answer will multiply by 2 times 2, because so why are we multiplying it by 2? Because everything, both the numerator and the denominator, are all enclosed in this bracket, and everything should be raised to the power 2. So from what we have done, we evaluated the numerator, and then we've evaluated the denominator, and then we have carried out the division, so which is everything inside this bracket. So everything inside the bracket is now raised to the power 2, meaning that this is the value for everything inside this bracket. So multiply by 2. Okay, so 2, let me get my calculator. Times 2, 0.6386, 0.6386, 0.6386. Then we have this part here, which also we're going to see. Third root, so we're going to write 38.2 times 2.964 over 8.637 times 6.285. Let's look at 2. So since we already evaluated this part, which is here, third root means divided by 2, and dividing the result by 2. And that's what we're going to do, divided by 2. Calculator again. So 0.6386 divided by 3. 0.212 is 0.2129. 0.2129. And this will give us 0.2129. So next thing is to look for the antilog of 0.2129. So 21 under 2. 0.21 under 2. 0.21 under 2 will give us 1.21 under 2 will give me 1629. 1629. Difference 9. 1629. Difference 9. Difference 9 will give me 3. That's 3. That's 9 plus 3 will give me 9 plus 3, 12, 13, 6, 1. That will give me 1.63. So 1.63. So that's my answer. Number 4. Third root 65210 divided by 8.672. This will give us a number log 65210. The characteristic will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.65 on this show. 65 under 2 will give me 8142. 8142. Difference 1. Difference 1 is 1. So 8143. 8143. And okay, so next one is 8.6672. That's 0.86 under 7. 86 under 7. 9380. 9380. Difference 3. 86. Difference 3 is 1. 9381. So since we have division here, let me subtract. 4.81.43 minus 0.9381 will give us 3.8762. 3.8762. 3.8762. The next thing is to okay, we are not subtracting from them since it's just numerator without the numerator. The next thing is to bring this part here. Okay, so third root 65217 divided by 8.672. 8.672. That will give us, so we're going to divide it by 3. 8.672. Okay, let's do divided by 3. 1.2921. 1.2921. Plus 1.2921. So the anti-log of 1.2921. 29 under 2. 0.29 under 2. 0.29 under 2 will give us 1959. 1959. Difference 1. 0.29. Difference 1 is 0. That's what 1959. That will give us 19.59. That's answer. 19.59.